Snail Soup, where are you right now? I'm at Soup! What do you mean you're at Soup? I mean I'm at Soup! What?
This message is being broadcasted by the request of the CBNRP National Guard. Please stand by and follow the following indications for the safety of your family and loved ones. As you know, a recent earthquake has hit our areas, mainly on Presidium Island. It was confirmed to be a 9.8 grade, giving a high risk of a possible tsunami wave of a size of 9.0 in Richter scale, aka 9.0 milliliters. This wave will submerge the whole neighborhood. We recommend the following indications so your loved ones can survive. Try to get to high ground. Fleeing to Middelhagen Island will help you to get high ground, get food supplies and resources for the next 14 days. If you cannot get out and flee to Middelhagen, block your doors, windows, and others, making the water to slow down and have enough time to swim out when you have the chance. This is possibly the final broadcast. We hope this nation survives a catastrophe like this. Our presidents, DMMT 450 and Gojirasaurus 512 along with the staff have evacuated towards Greenville, CBWRP. We hope we can restore society in this place. Anyways, good luck. Glory to the CBNRP.